The Purolator Easy Does It shipping kit will change forever the way you ship. Call now to learn how. Inside the kit, you'll find Purolator's free automated shipping software. Just point and click. No more endless forms to handwrite because it fills out and prints your waybills automatically. You'll spend less time on the phone. Purolator's automated shipping software calls in the shipment for you. Call now for shipping that's as easy as a couple of clicks of a mouse. Call 1-888-544-5441 now for our free shipping software and Easy Does It shipping kit. We'll send you everything you see here. All you need to start shipping with Purolator right away. To make your shipping as easy as a couple of clicks of a mouse, call now. Operators are standing by. And when you call for Purolator's free shipping software and Easy Does It shipping kit, we'll tell you how you can also get 1 month of shipping free. It's as easy as a phone call. 1-888-544-5441.